up, everybody? We're here with Kh0ri and his new Civic.
Yo.
So he just picked this up not too long ago. Tell us a little bit about it.
94 Civic CX. Aztec green pearl paint has been resprayed. 5-speed manual. We got the aftermarket sunroof. The Teggy seats. And a lot of skunk two parts. I don't know.
All right. What's your least favorite part about the car?
Sunroof.
Sunroof?
Sunroof for sure.
Yeah.
I hate how they hacked it up.
Yeah, they definitely did do that, didn't they?
They did hack it up.
They did. What's your favorite thing about the car?
Probably the engine bay.
The engine
Super
bay?
clean.
You want to show us the engine bay?
Yeah, let's check it out.
Woo!
Super clean. D16 Y8 VTEC motor. I guess intake. Headers, full exhaust. This is rowdy for a Civic. Civic problem.
This is staying in. I hope you know that.
All right, first time's a charm.
Oh, that's great. What would you tell anybody that's interested in picking up an old 90s Civic?
Anyone who's interested, definitely be aware of, I mean, these cars get hooned and then tossed aside, so it took me a while to find something clean for the price I was wanting. I paid $4,400 for it. In this day and age, I don't think you're gonna find one below that price that's clean, running, like no huge issues. But yeah, I would say just on the grind, look for them. They're out there.
Yeah, absolutely. I think this is like such a fantastic like toge car that you could take, you know, rip it down some back roads, have fun, just beat the crap out of it and keep going afterwards, because that's ultimately what you want. If you have a car that every time you have fun with it something catastrophically breaks, you don't want it, really. I mean, it might be cool, but you know.
I have a 22 Mustang GT, and I'm telling you, I have a lot more fun in the Civic than I do the Stang. And that's not me glazing. It's just a raw car. You know, there's like no technology. It's just you. You know?
Yeah, and this car also has a power steering delete, right?
Yeah, no power steering.
Yeah, so it's very much like this is as raw as it gets for for 90s sub 200 horsepower technology.
Yeah.
Yeah, or you could buy a Miata. But anyways, we're out here. We have this fantastic road behind us, and I feel like instead of talking about the car, maybe we should show you some driving clips and toge.